Hello and welcome to activity number 2. This is the Domino War. So for this activity, I'm going to be demonstrating it by myself. However, you will be put with a partner for this activity. So for this activity, you're going to need a set of dominoes. This is empty just because I've already laid out my dominoes. For your dominoes, you want to make sure that you have them all spaced out. And they're going to be facing downward. So you do not want to see the dots, the dot side of the domino. You want to make sure that they're facing opposite direction of you, okay? Now, for this activity, you, the student, you're going to be switching back and forth with your partner, and you, the student, are going to place your finger or your hand over a select domino. You aren't going to flip it over yet. You're going to wait for the teacher to say, ready, set, go. And whenever that happens, you're going to flip over the domino, and you want to make sure that you and your partner can both see the domino, and you're just going to add or subtract depending on what the teacher tells you to do prior to saying ready, set, go. You're going to add or subtract the two sides of the domino. So for this one, this is 7 if I was doing addition or subtraction. Now, let's say I was the one that flipped it over. However, the person sitting next to me said 7 before I did. They get to keep the domino. Now, if I flipped it over and I said 7 first, I get to keep the domino. You want to make sure that you keep your dominoes that you win separate from the dominoes that you have nicely placed out facing down. And then at the very end, whenever you went through all of your dominoes, whoever wins the most amount of dominoes wins.